This is what it sounds like in my normal talking voice, about 6 or 7 inches away from the microphone. And this is what it sounds like in my normal talking voice when I'm probably a couple feet away from the microphone. And this is what it sounds like when I'm really close, but I'm whispering into the microphone. Hey guys, today we're going to look at this MAONO mic set. So it's this mic, it comes with the scissor stand, a clamp, it comes with this windscreen. I'll go ahead and put it on now. It comes with a pop filter as well. Comes with an XLR cord. It comes with everything that you need to get going, minus the power, like the phantom power or audio mixer or whatever. So I'm doing a screen recording of Audacity, recording me talking into this, so you can kind of see the wavelength as I'm talking into the microphone. A couple things I want to point out for this video review. One, I'm not going to do any audio editing. I'm not going to do noise reduction. I'm not going to do compressing or anything like that. I just want you to hear what the mic is like straight going into the mic and into my computer. The second thing I want to point out is I'm not really in the best sound environment. My house is kind of weird. It's a dome house. I'm in this open space. I'm not enclosed. My computer fans are going. So just keep that in mind. If you turn up the volume, if you hear some background white noise or something like that, that's because there is background white noise. There is a fan going. It's an open area. This is not a sound booth. Okay, that in mind, I want to show you a few things with this microphone. First of all, you've heard me talking, so this is the distance I kind of like to keep. I want to show you my audio mixer and kind of adjust some of the levels so you can hear that real quick. So here's my audio mixer. You can see here I've got the gain up all the way. I can go ahead and turn this down a bit. You'll hear me as I get quiet. Let's go back up here. But I usually keep this up all the way, and then I adjust the mic volume on this mixer. So I'm going to do that now so you can hear I'm more quiet. I'm going to go ahead and turn it now. Here, I'll try to talk a little less loudly because I've got it up all the way. You can see in the wave recording on Audacity, if I don't talk, you can see a little bit of, you'd see that white noise in the background. Usually what I like to do is turn down the mic volume until I can't see anything when I'm not talking. There we go. That's pretty good. The reason I show you this is because when you use an XLR mic like this, you need some way to power it. You need phantom power, or you need an audio mixer like this, or an audio card. You need something that will provide power. I've been using, let's see, this is the Aukio USB Mixer 5. I've been using this for a few years. I really like it. It's not too expensive. You can get something like this or a audio interface for probably around 30 to 50 bucks. It's not too much. It's well worth getting. I like this mixer because it gives me control over the volume, so I can make the adjustments I need to for the environment I'm in. Now that I've shown you the mixer, I want to show you kind of some different sound levels. This is me at my normal voice. Let me go ahead, turn down the mixer volume a little bit. And now I'm just going to speak up a little bit. I'm talking in a louder voice. I've turned the gain up a bit, but this is what it sounds like. Super interesting, I know. I'll go ahead and turn this back up. If you're someone who likes to get up close, I'll turn this down and then I'll get closer to the microphone. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of getting close to the microphone. I think it does some weird things. You can hear the plosives a lot more and things like that. So not a huge fan. One thing I would like to point out, this microphone picks up bass sounds really quite well. something to be aware of. If you like the bass sound, if your voice favors the bass sound, then this mic might actually be really good for you. I really enjoyed the sound that I get from this mic. Here, I'll scoot back now. Again, not a huge fan of talking up close. That's what it sounds like if you're at that distance. If I turn up the gain all the way, and now I come and whisper, like you can see from the audio levels that it's still pretty good if I whisper. This is creepy. I'm gonna stop now. Sorry about that. Okay, so the next test I want to do is something you'd probably never actually do. I'm gonna go ahead and this is a condenser microphone. You want to talk into where the logo is. You don't want to talk up here like this, but I'm gonna turn the microphone around and then go stand over there so you can hear me at different distances. So here we go. I'll be back. Oh, yeah, this is what it sounds like from the back side. Pretty weird. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna turn up the gain all the way just so I can make sure I get my voice. Okay, this is me talking from about 5 feet away. It's what it sounds like. And you can see from the wavelength in Audacity, it's still picking up my voice pretty well. Sound is not as great because I'm far away, but and now I'm about 10 feet away. Again, you can hear me. That's pretty cool. I hope I showed you enough scenarios so that you could hear what this mic sounds like in different situations. I've used a bunch of budget XLR mics, and this is the one that I end up going with the most. This is the one I like the most. I like the sound with this mic. I do like that it's a little bassier. I like how clear the sound comes in. Hopefully this video was able to help you decide what this mic is like, and you can decide for yourself if you think it's any good for you. I do like that it comes together as a complete set. You know, obviously, of course, minus the phantom power or audio mixer or things like that. But overall, I've been really happy with this mic. You should check it out. Thanks.